Lesson 5, Food and Drink. If you want food, you can say, I'm hungry. And if you want something to drink, you can say, I'm thirsty. I hope you're hungry and thirsty because today's lesson is all about food and drink. Food. Are you familiar with the food pyramid? It shows how much of each type of food you should eat. Let's use the diagram to learn vocabulary for different types of foods. The food group at the bottom of the pyramid includes bread, cereal, rice, and pasta. Which type do you eat most frequently? Complete the sentence. I eat a lot of. On the next level up, we have fruits and vegetables. Here are some different types of fruit. Can you match each word with the correct picture? Now check your answers. Pear, grapes, cherries, pineapple, watermelon. The outer covering of a fruit can be called the peel in the case of a banana, the skin in the case of an apple, or the rind in the case of a melon. A skin is soft and thin, and we can eat it. A rind is thick and hard, and we usually don't eat it. Many fruits also have seeds or a pit inside. We usually call them seeds if they are small and many, and a pit if there is one and it is large. Watermelons have seeds. Peaches have pits. Here are some examples of vegetables. Try to match each word with the correct picture. Now check your answers. Corn, carrot, pepper, mushroom, onion, garlic. On the next level up, we have meat and seafood, as well as beans, nuts, and eggs. Do you know the English words for the 3 different parts of an egg? The shell is the hard outside part. The white is the clear part, which turns white when you cook it. The yolk is the yellow part in the center. Here are some different types of meat with the animals they come from. Beef comes from cows. Pork, bacon, and ham come from pigs. Chicken comes from chickens. Seafood includes fish and shellfish. A person who doesn't eat meat is called a vegetarian, and a person who doesn't eat any animal products, including milk, cheese, and eggs, is called a vegan. Finally, at the top of the food pyramid are some foods which should not be eaten frequently because they are not very healthy. These include fats and oils, like butter and fried food, which is cooked in oil, as well as sweets, like chocolate, candy, cakes, and cookies. Drinks. Here are 5 types of cold drinks: soda, juice, lemonade, iced tea, milk, and sparkling water. Say it now. My favorite cold drink is. The 3 major types of hot drinks are coffee, tea, and hot chocolate. Say it now. My favorite hot drink is. Finally, we have drinks with alcohol: beer, wine, liquor, and cocktails or mixed drinks. Say it now. My favorite alcoholic drink is... Other expressions used with food and drink. When you eat something, you first take a bite of it. You remove a piece using your teeth. Then you chew the food. Crush it into small pieces inside your mouth using your teeth. And finally, swallow it when it goes down your throat and into your stomach. If someone is eating very fast, we say they are wolfing down or gobbling up their food. When someone is eating very slowly or not eating very much, we say they are picking at their food. Two more verbs used for eating are munch on and snack on. This describes eating small portions of food casually. For example, you snack on popcorn while watching a movie. If someone is drinking very fast, we say they are gulping down or guzzling their drink. The opposite of this, drinking slowly, is to sip. You'd gulp down a glass of lemonade on a hot day, but you should sip a glass of wine. What do you say after you've eaten enough and you're satisfied? The phrase we use for that in English is, I'm full. If you've eaten a lot of food, maybe too much, then you can say, I'm stuffed, or I can't eat another bite. You've finished Lesson 5. Now continue to the exercises to practice the vocabulary you've learned.